Hello, welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today we are going to learn how to write a good article. Articles are one form of written communication that a company may use to share information with its employees or customers. Articles might be written by marketing or public relations departments to communicate an organization's thought leadership while also providing relevant industry information. In this video, Writing Practices channel discusses how to write an article in 3 steps, and we offer noteworthy tips for writing an effective article. First of all, what is an article? An article is a written communication that portrays a central theme from a writer that they want to display to their readership. Article topics may vary and showcase current or past events worldwide. Additionally, the writer intends on writing content that draws a human interest and connects with viewers uniquely in comparison to other stories. Other objectives a writer may aim to achieve when writing an article include: gives advice and courses of actions, drives exposure on newsworthy and technological stories, influences the current opinions of their readers. So, how to write a great article? Here are the 3 main steps to follow. Step 1. Select a topic to write about. Make a list of topics that you want to write about before you start writing. This gives you the chance to find out what you're passionate about. If you're writing an article for your company, brainstorm ideas with the rest of your team to see which topic can evoke interest from potential customers. You may need to communicate with your manager or executive team directly to get a better idea of the audience you're targeting. However, it's recommended that you specify your article as soon as possible, so you can begin writing and see if it's the direction you want to take. Step 2. Identify your target audience. You need to take the viewpoint of the reader of your article to recognize the target audience you're trying to reach. Consider a SWOT analysis to see which audiences fit the content of the article you're writing. Also, take a look at these factors when searching for the right target audience. First, demographics. This factor gives you a comprehensive look at an individual's age, annual income, geography, and educational background. For example, you can target an article for women ages 18 to 35 living in the tri-state area if you choose to write it on beauty products, whereas you can target suburban men ages 35 to 54 on shaving products. Second, behaviors and interests. You want to know what type of content a reader is interested in, so it's important to study industry trends in marketing and advertising to see what types of people interact with their brands regardless of the fact they're selling to them. One example can be a company that generates a lot of foot traffic at sporting events for a cause. Knowing what motivates readers to take action provides with you key details on how you can solicit action from them. Step 3. Come up with an outline of your article. Your article should have a basic format before you begin writing, so you can spend more time on the content instead of the structure. Your resources can also aid you to come up with a format that's clear and understandable to the reader. The 4 main pieces of an outline that you should draw out should be: title or headline. The title is normally the one piece of an article that a viewer sees online when they look for content on their search engines. Intro paragraph. The introductory paragraph introduces the main point of what you're trying to say about a topic. This is the ideal method of attracting attention from your audience because you're exhibiting value that demonstrates why they should continue reading your piece. Body paragraph. The body paragraph allows you to construct and organize supporting information that backs up the point you're trying to make. Use examples from your research above to accentuate your topic and inform your audience about new information and why it's impactful for them. Conclusion. The conclusion of your article can end with a call to action or something for the reader to consider in the future. You want them to focus on the value they received from what they learned, so they can tell others to read your content and share it with their network. So, if you are ready to write a great article, here are 5 tips that will help you a lot. 1. Read widely. Reading widely, all manner of articles, is the best way students can internalize some of the habits of good article writing. Luckily, with the internet, it's easy to find articles on any topic of interest at the click of a mouse. 2. Choose interesting topics. It's hard to engage the reader when the writer is not themselves engaged. Be sure students choose article topics that pique their own interest, as far as possible. 3. Research and outline. Regardless of the type of article the student is writing, some research will be required. The research will help an article take shape in the form of an outline. Without these 2 crucial stages, articles run the danger of wandering aimlessly and, worse still, of containing inaccurate information and details. 4. Keep things simple. All articles are about communicating information in one form or another. The most effective way of doing this is to keep things easily understood by the reader. This is especially true when the topic is complex. 5. Edit and proofread. This can be said of any type of writing, but it still bears repeating. Students need to ensure they comprehensively proofread and edit their work when they've finished. The importance of this part of the writing process can't be overstated. Thank you for watching. Writing Practices channel will help you a lot in growing your writing skill. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. See you soon.